Good day, good vibes, and welcome to this guided meditation. This meditation will focus on bringing peace to the mind. So let's jump straight into it. As we begin this meditation, close your eyes and begin to settle down. Begin to see that you are comfortable and focus on relaxing the body for a moment. And begin to use your breathing to help you relax. And when you breathe out, let go of any tension or pressure that you may be feeling. Take in some slow, deep breaths and allow any tension or pressure to just release on your out breath. Taking in another slow, deep breath. And as you release your breath, just let go of any stresses that you may be feeling. And begin to think about your energy. The energy within your body and out your body. Begin to think about pulling all of your energy back into your own aura and system. Back into your own energy system. Begin to pull back any loose ends or misdirected energy. Pulling your energy back to you. Bringing your energy home. You can feel settled now, your energy isn't exposed. It feels protected in your own aura. And you're going to use this time for your own well-being, taking time to oversee your own energy. And for the next few moments, we will calm the mind in order for your feelings to become a little clearer. And just allow your thoughts to drift. Allow any thoughts of low vibration to drift away. as you begin to relax and let go. Any self-doubt, just let that drift away as you relax and let go. Any guilt that you may feel, just let that go. And allow yourself to relax and let those feelings drift away. Any suffering that you may feel, just let it drift away as you relax and let go. Allow yourself to let go of the pressure that you put on yourself. Let yourself drift. Allow yourself to relax and let go. Being kinder to yourself in this moment. Using this time to gain understanding of yourself. As you let go of any pressure and allow yourself to just drift in a safe place. Allowing self-love to take you to a higher vibration. Letting this self-love show you your worth. Allowing self-love to help you to grow. Letting in loving energy from the universe. Allowing this energy to help you with healthy boundaries. Begin to think about the light and what it creates within you. You can feel this loving energy within your body, You can feel the loving energy expand out into your aura. Allow this loving energy in to fill you right to the top of your head and right down to your toes. And you can feel that your body is full of this loving energy. You can feel it expanding out into your aura. Connecting you with source energy. Protecting you from energy that does not serve you. Helping you to stay balanced when making decisions moving forward. Allow this loving energy to keep you centered. And remember that your light is always within. You can pull universal energies in to support you if you need to rebuild your light. There is an abundance of energy from the universe that you can take. And you can move forward now in a calm and peaceful state. Moving forward with a clear mind. A clear direction of how you are feeling. And remember to be kinder to yourself. Take moments in your day for your own well-being. And just begin to bring your attention to your chest. Feeling it rise and fall. Calm and peaceful. And as you become mindful of your breathing, let this calm and peaceful feeling flow out into the room. Take this peaceful state forwards with you. Now that you have centered your breathing, you can bring your attention to your body.